All right, so we're working on taking the top off now. So you got all these bolts here around the perimeter, up around the back part, around the bottom. Usually people, when they take the top off, they leave these two that are back behind the panel out. So that's one way you can tell the roof has ever been out, because very rarely do people put those back in. So they're just back behind, get back behind here. They come up into this area here. So I just checked this one, pull out, you have to pull out all these screws here, and you get back behind it. This one, they're missing, there's nothing in there. The hole where that bolt will go is empty, so it's been out. So we'll set up and pull all these bolts around the top out, and we'll get the top out of here. So we'll just jump up here. So what you got the short ones that go around the sides. You got these long ones that hold the top to the roof of the truck that pull it tight against the gasket. You always, when you put these together, you put all of them in, and you tighten these ones first, or you'll have a leaky top. And then you should be able to take that back. They are in here still. I thought they were taken out. Thought that one was out. I was looking at the wrong hole. That happens, I guess. But, so we gotta take out that side, pop that nut off, and then we should have the back loose. All right, so that pops that side off. Now we'll pop over to this side. Spare tire might be in the way for this one. All right, so that one. Now the side comes off fairly easy. All right, she's off there. I can wait for Nick to get home to give me a hand lifting it off. We'll pull this one off. All right, so one other thing about removing these tops I forgot to mention is driver's side back corner, there's a little cover. You gotta take off this cover here. And there's a connection right here for the dome lights. So you gotta remember to just disconnect that. It just comes out of the corner here. It's kind of hanky, I guess you could say it, but that's it. We just gotta lift the top off now. And get the top off and show you what it looks like with the top off. Maybe we'll cruise around with no top before it starts snowing. That'd be cool, right? Check it out, I just pulled the tire cover. This is a factory original spare. Look at that, it's like brand new. Wow, I'm impressed. All right, so we're gonna pop this hood off. Moving these hoods is easy. You just got the 2 bolts for the hinge and 2 bolts for the spring mechanism. You just undo those and pop the hood off. It'll take 2 people. As Nick says, we're old, but I'm not, he is. So, let's get started. Let's pop the hood off. You want to hold it and then pop the bolts out.
Sweet.
And we gotta line it, so
Yep.
hold that. I usually just go down to the paint marks.
If you're lucky enough to still have paint marks,
Yeah.
it's a really good place to start. Well, see if she closes first.
And then what you do is just slam it down. Oh no, it's gotta go back.
Yeah, it's gotta go back a little ways. Corner to corner, you're good. It's just gotta go back just a hair.
We line up the paint marks. You can see the hood is a little off. So we'll have to move it back just a hair.
Time to see if we can get the top off this thing. Beautiful fall day. Sweet. See how bad this goes. Wish we got video evidence.
We're gonna try to lift it up onto these pallets, store it for the winter. All right, so get your stretches in.
Yep. That's just what the GM does. Are you ready for this?
No.
I'm not either.
Ah, just like that. They said it would be easy.
Just like that.
That was hard.
Good for us.
So what do you guys think? Look better with a black top? I think so. Oh, it's already got moss on it again. All right, so we got her all setting up there. I'm gonna walk around, wipe some stuff down, hold it down, and show you what it looks like cleaned up a little bit. All right, everybody, got top on the Blazer. As you can see, black top looks way better even though it's still brown. Planning to paint this thing silver and black so it'll look good together. She's sitting here idling in here. Sounds pretty good. But back tailgate's on there. Got her all cleaned up. Not too bad. We'll put this bezel back in once we get her painted. And it's coming around. Still got the rust repair to do there. Swap the hood out. We swapped it out because this one doesn't have the bezel here in the front. I don't much care for those ones. I think it looks better without. So, and then you can see the gaps on this side. Might have to do some alignment with the fender. But this side's pretty good. Other than that, she's looking pretty good on top. So, if you like this episode of Frostbite Garage, stay tuned to the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That always helps us out. So next time we'll be seeing this, we'll be doing the doors and starting on some rust repair. There's a lot of that. So we're trying to set all the parts and get them set aside on this for winter, because winter is almost here. And we don't want to dig through the snow for all the parts we need. So that's why we did it this way. So stay tuned. We'll catch you later.